Hey guys, it's Lean. Today I'll be opening 3 surprise eggs. And actually I'm be showing you this fish that I made with Play-Doh. She's so cute. She's blue and orange and she's swimming, I guess. She's swimming. Here is her close-up look. Oh, her hand. Where is it? Yeah, so I'm gonna put it here. Here is it. Close-up look. And she's so cute actually. She's so adorable and cute actually. The two is the same meaning, but she's more adorable. Yeah, she's more than adorable. She's amazing. So let's get started with the first surprise egg. I'm having this Play-Doh surprise egg, and she have like 2 hearts, a bow, and she's cute. Okay, so let's put these surprise eggs away, and let's start opening like we was before opening the things in Play-Doh eggs and choose the blind bag bin. But actually it's not choose the blind bag, it should be Sunday blind bag bin. I'm wrong doing it. So tomorrow I'll be making it. Tuesday blind bag bin, Sunday blind bag bin. SBBB. Yeah, it's done. So let's start opening it. Remove the heart so it will not stick like the colors. I don't like to stick. What is inside? Ooh, oh my god. Stick with Play-Doh. We got Snow White. She's like standing like that. But she's so cute and adorable. Let's put her here. Okay. So now mix it up. Just away. Okay, into my second surprise egg. Maybe this or this. Okay, let's take the smurfs. Where's my scissor actually? Oh, here it is. And the garbage is dirty. Let's open it. Oh, we got this one, like he's a villain. He's the monster of them. He's Gargoyle maybe, or Gargoyle. And actually I find there when I buy the surprise egg, I find Smurfity, not just Smurf. Oh my god, this is quickly falling. What is this? I don't touch it. I'm a Smurf. Okay, so I have the character. Here's a close-up look. And actually he is like clear one. He's not showing light. He's clear. Okay. Okay, we're gonna take the Looney Tunes active. Yeah. Oh. We got many things. Nothing, just one. I got the one, he's naughty, but I don't know his name. You can type it down in the comment. Okay, so here it is there. Let's make it here. This room. Okay guys, so please like, subscribe, comment, share this all the video guys. Bye. And you can see what I get, a close-up look. Here's Snow White, the gargoyle, the stamp that I get. Here is it. So guys, please like, subscribe, comment, share this all the video guys. Bye.